Golden sunlight on the meadow, morning dances through the trees. Every fly awakes in color, every branch sways with the breeze. Rivers carry silver stories, mountains stand against the sky. Nature paints 1,000 wonders no artist could deny. Close your eyes and hear the rhythm, feel the heartbeat of the land. Every moment is a treasure written by a gentle hand. Where the air sings, hearts can fly underneath the endless sky. Fields of green and oceans blue, every path feels bright and new. Hear the wind and hear the rain, every joy and every gain. Nature's voice will always be a song of hope and harmony. Moonlight spills across the rivers, stars are scattered in the night. Fireflies become the lanterns, glowing softly in their light. Through the seasons, through the changes, beauty finds another way. Spring and summer, fall and winter, each one has a song to play.